In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy one Wix website page to another Wix website. Whether you're managing multiple sites for your business, creating a new project, or simply want to reuse a page design you've worked hard on, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to duplicate a page from one Wix site and transfer it seamlessly to another. Let's dive in and make this as simple as possible. To get started, open your browser and log into your Wix account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials for the account where both websites are located. If you have multiple Wix accounts, double-check that you're accessing the one associated with the sites in question. Once logged in, navigate to the Wix website editor for the website that contains the page you want to copy. This is where the magic begins. If you're unsure how to get there, you can simply choose the website from your Wix dashboard and click Edit Site. Now that you're in the website editor, it's time to locate the page you want to copy. On the left-hand toolbar, you'll see the Site menu where you can find an icon that looks like a stack of pages. This is the page icon, and it's your gateway to managing all the pages on your site. Click on this icon to open the list of current pages. Here you'll see every page that's part of your website listed neatly. Next, find the specific page you want to duplicate. Scroll through the list of pages and identify the one you'd like to copy. Once you've located it, look to the right of the page name and you'll notice 3 dots. This is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Copy. What you've done here is essentially save a duplicate of your page that's ready to be transferred to another Wix site. Now it's time to switch over to the other website, where you want to paste the copied page. To do this, navigate back to your Wix dashboard and open the website editor for the second site. Again, make sure you're in the right account and working on the intended site. Once you're in the editor for the new website, head back to the left-hand toolbar and find the familiar page icon in the Site menu. Click on the page icon to open the page menu for this new website. This is where you'll be pasting the copied page. Now to do this, right-click anywhere in the page menu. A context menu will appear with several options from this menu. Select Paste, just like that. The page you copied from the first website will now appear in the list of pages on your new site. Once the page is pasted, it's important to review it carefully. Open the newly pasted page and make any necessary adjustments. This might include updating contact information, tweaking branding elements like logos and colors, or making sure the design fits seamlessly with the style of your new site. Take your time here, as this step ensures that the page looks and functions exactly as you want it to. And that's it. You've successfully copied a page from one Wix website to another. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.